Are you looking for the right partner? I hope so. Otherwise, why would you be watching this video, right? We might not be the perfect partner for you, but I hope you'll learn more about Haltian by the end of this video. Welcome to Haltian booth. I am Paulo and I will guide you through Haltian company, our solutions and services. Haltian started its journey at Nokia and has evolved to become a world-class industry leader. Currently, we offer to our customers product development services and solutions in washrooms, buildings and factories. Washrooms, you might be wondering. But yes, we do have solutions for washrooms. Actually, it was one of our first successful deployments. Massive commercial deployments, I mean. Not POCs, nor pilots. Those we had a long time ago and many of them. For this massive commercial deployment, we understood the limitations of the market and realized the potential of ours. With Lindstrom, a textile service company, we studied the results of our solution. We found benefits for all stakeholders. I'm talking about service company, facility owner, the tenant, in this case shop owners, and the end user, all of us. For this segment, we provide data as a service. In other words, we provide devices and place them on the field and make sure all the device management and connectivity are in place. From there, we grew to offer to the whole building. Real estate, offices, schools, hospitals, banking, you name it. We offer you data from your building, such as environmental data, occupancy monitoring, visitor counting, air quality, to your own system or digital twin. If you don't have your own, we got you covered. With Empathic Building, you can scale fast and deploy user-friendly use cases with benefits to employee as well as employer. These solutions are quite similar and complement each other. However, why do you have solutions for factories, you might wonder, and rightly so. Our factory solution demonstrates how diverse our offering is and our mission to support the customer. Also, how easy it is for us to create impossible things. When challenged by Stora Enso, a global paper and pulp company, to reduce their waste and downtime, we tackled the problem by investigating with the client a suitable solution. Since the existing solutions were weak or extremely expensive, we developed a scalable and affordable solution for the client to save millions of euros in production loss. For factory environment, we offer out-of-the-shelf retrofit solutions for manual valve monitoring, predictive maintenance in electric grids by monitoring different components in substations, and a solution for machine monitoring to support tracking your overall equipment efficiency. None of this would have been possible without the knowledge we gained from the start of our journey, developing smart products for our clients. Based on this in-house knowledge and expertise, we're able to customize an existing solution to fit your needs, or create from scratch a complete new product or solution. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about any of these services, do not hesitate to get in touch. Also, you can connect just to say hi. Due to the current restrictions, we are in need of your empathic connection.